Hey, sir. Do these problems bother you?
This is really annoying. Any better options for party?
Yes! All you need is the Break X1 by Akero. All-in-one portable speaker. Break X1 has a built-in tablet. Larger than the iPhone and iPad. The screen can be lifted up and down and rotated 180 degrees. Everyone can watch lyrics and videos and free their phones. Now, everyone is happy. 2 wireless microphones are built into the speaker. Simply pop them up. Easy to use and store. Never worry about running out of power with automatic rechargeability. Smaller body, bigger power. 100 watts are enough for all your parties. The sound from the speaker and microphone is crystal clear, as if the music is right in front of you. Fewer buttons, simple to use. Adjust the volume and lighting using the roll ball. Break X1 has all the connections you need: HDMI, aux, guitar, etc. Over 8+ hours battery life for both microphones and the speaker. Never ran out of power at party.
We prioritize safety for our 4,800 mAh product by using high-grade fire-resistant materials, including lithium-ion batteries and V0 fire-resistant materials, along with multiple safety mechanisms. Let's have an outdoor party!
Why is it so fast this time?
Cause I have a Break X1 now! Better option for party!